So children, in the last video we have discussed about how we can convert from decimal to octal. Now over here I will be providing you some examples through which the concept will be very clear to you. Okay, so the next number over here is 289. First number is 289 base 10 and we have to convert that into the octal number system. Next, one more number is there. Let's suppose that 379 is the number over here and we have to convert it into the octal group. Okay, so now in this what will be happening? So let's first solve this question. 289 is there. 289 we have to divide it by 8 using the repeated division method. We will solve it. And now you will divide it. 8 3 24, 24 and 49. 8 6 is 48. 1 will be the remainder over here. Next, in next step, it will go for how many times? It will go for 4 times. 8 4 is 32, and 8 4 is 32, and 4 will be the remainder over here. Next, in the next step, it will go for how many times? It will go. It will go for 0 times. 4 will be the remainder. So what will be the answer? 289 base 10 is equal to 441 base 8. Okay, so this applying bracket is not a rule over here, but you can apply to avoid any confusion. Okay, sometimes it happens that you will write it like 4418, so you will be writing the thing on the same line. So that will be a wrong thing because that base has to be written in the subscript always. Okay, so whenever you are representing a number system, the number that you have been provided 441. So in the subscript of it you will write the base of that number system. Okay, so this question we have already solved. Let's move towards this question, that is 379 base 10. So again you have to do the same thing. 379 having this 8 to be divided, then 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, and 59, 8 7s are 56, and 3 will be the remainder over here. Okay, now after this it will go for 8 5s are 6 are 5s it will go. And when it will go for 5 times, it will be 7 as the remainder, and then next step it will go for 0 times it will go, and 5 will be the remainder. So again you will be writing from this end, from 5 to 3 you will be writing. So 5 7, and so the answer for this will be equal to how much? 379 base 10 is equal to 573 base. So over here we have solved these two questions. So now you must have understood about the basic concept of how we have to convert it. Okay. Now for that, when you have to convert, you have to divide and multiply. So you have to pay a special attention towards what kind of how the calculation is there, and you have to do it in a very accurate manner, and this is only because in the number system you will be in class 11th you will be having a weightage of around 20 marks for the number system. So if you will make a mistake, it will the marks will be deducted from this. So I can say this, that this number system concept is very easy for you, and it will be a scoring for you if you will be able to solve all the questions from this. So even if the unit test or in the half yearly or in the final examination, you will be getting these kind of conversion in your question paper. Okay, so do all the questions and do all the assignments that I am providing you, and this is very important because the more you will practice, the better you will get in calculating or calculating the correct result for the conversions that we are already doing. So only this much in this video. In the next video, I will be providing you 2 more examples and how, let's see how we will be solving.